Hi, in today's video I will discuss about different varieties of count function. For example, if I want to count how many numbers available in my database, then which function is better for this? If I want to know that how many numbers and text in my table, then what is the best formula for this? And if I want to know that how many blank cells available in my table, then which function is useful for this? Before I start my video further, kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the all future videos notification. You can see the table in front of you. In this table there are different numbers, blank cells and a text. So firstly I want to count how many numbers in this table. For this I will use count function equal count bracket. I will select the array b42 b16 bracket close and hit the enter. You can see that I got the answer 9. For the counter check, if I select all these cells and go to the bottom, you can see Excel give the answer 10 because Excel also considered the text value. So if you less the text value from the 10, you can also get the answer 9. So my this answer is correct. So now I want to count how many numbers and text in this table. For this I will use count a function which is equal count a bracket. I will select the array b4 to b16 bracket close and press enter. You can see that I got the answer 10. Now I want to count how many blank cells available in this table. So for this I will use count blank function. For count blank function equal count blank bracket, and now I will select the array as previously b4 to b16 bracket close and press enter. When I press enter, you can see that I got the answer 3. So if you go to the table and count by yourself, that is 1 blank, 2 and 3. So my this answer is also correct. Hopefully you like my video, so don't forget to leave your comments. Thank you so much.